is Josh Slagle. Today I want to take you on a tour of our new MyDailyChoice and HempWorks headquarters here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Let's go check it out.
Taking it to the top.
So this is our MyDailyChoice reception here. We've got Sarah and Christine, all of our customers and affiliates, they come in for local pickups. Sarah and Christine help them with their orders. Over here we have our MyDailyChoice swag store. People can pick up their apparel, hats, t-shirts, water bottles, brochures, magazines. Now we're going to check out our packaging and our prep room. All of our product gets prepped and packaged. Here it comes into Las Vegas in 55-gallon drums, and then it gets bottled, labeled, it comes into this room. Everything goes into bubble bags, bubble mailers before it goes out for delivery. In this corner here, this is where all of our labels get printed. So the way it works is we start our day, the labels get printed, everything gets prepped, packed, and ready to ship, goes into this warehouse and gets out for delivery. So let's go check the warehouse out. So this is the MDC Warehouse. We launched this warehouse in January of 2018, and since then, it's been absolutely incredible. We've shipped hundreds of thousands of orders out of this warehouse, and is one of the best decisions that we ever made to take fulfillment into our own hands. We originally wanted to launch the warehouse because of some struggles that we were running into with 3PL shippers. Like I said, it's been absolutely incredible. One of the best decisions we've ever made as a company. As you can see over here, these are our Otr Shipping Cages. Post office comes, picks these up every day, goes straight to the airport. And then as you'll see behind me, this is our picking and packing station. So all orders get prepped, picked, packed, and shipped out. All the orders get cleared every single day. So our office is split on 2 floors. We have our warehouse downstairs, and upstairs we have our marketing team, customer service, and compliance. So as you can see behind me, we have our compliance team working with our marketing team. We have customer service. We have a red carpet where affiliates and customers come in to take pictures. In the conference room, we have some of our executives working together to grow our business. Thank you guys for taking this tour with us at our corporate office. If you guys are ever in town here in Las Vegas, come check us out. We'd love to meet you in person.